Hey guys, Crypto Mike here with the mic check. 1 2 1 2. Is this thing on? Please hit the thumbs up, the subscribe button, and the notification bell right down there to be informed of all my live streams and every single video that I put out. All right, go ahead, hit the thumbs up or the thumbs down if you don't like this video. Subscribe and the notification bell. Now, I also want to say, you guys, Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. Now, this is a little Happy Thanksgiving picture that Ripple tweeted out today. So, Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, guys. Hopefully, you guys find reasons to be thankful. Today is a great day to remind yourself and your loved ones to be thankful for everything you have. That is the essence of being happy. Gratefulness, okay? If you are able to be grateful for everything you have, there is no way to be unhappy, okay? Now, I hope that I can help entertain you and keep you company and help you to have a fun holiday. Besides all the turkey, all the good stuff, you know, hopefully you're having a good, fun-filled, turkey-filled, stuffing-filled, family-filled, love-filled Thanksgiving today. But you know, in the meantime, you know, hopefully I can help you out with this Riddler thread that I found on Twitter. It caught my eye and it's actually very entertaining. So I'm going to go ahead and go through it. It's like a 20 tweet thread by the Ripple. It's a XRP Riddler archive. I found him on Twitter and you should go follow him on Twitter at @DWAR_Phil. Okay, go follow him on Twitter. He's also got a YouTube channel called XRP Riddler Archive. So go subscribe to him on YouTube. Now I'm going to go ahead and read this Riddler thread. It talks about the Ripple Riddler, and it also talks about Bearable Guy. Okay, let's read it. It's pretty cool. All right. The fall and rise of XRP. In this thread, I'll be taking a look at the idea of the storm in the XRP Riddler and insider lore. Could it be coming? Are we in it already? Warning, dot connecting and wild speculation ahead. Definitely not financial advice. Uses a picture of XRP on fire. Maybe that's what has been happening. Yeah, it has been on fire. In 2018, Bearable Guy 123 posted this image in his rippled forum. XRP is headed downwards in flames. Note, this was before the X symbol based on the Roman god Janus was used for XRP. In late summer 2018, Ripple Riddler posted the video, "The storm is coming," hinting at a calamitous event coming, but with the XRP symbol emerging victorious in green after the event. And I'll go ahead and play a clip of the video, not the whole one, to keep this video short. But I'm sure you guys will remember. And if you want to watch the whole video, then you can go ahead and go to this thread, and he gives you links to all these videos here. And I'm sure if you've been around for a while, you probably remember all these Ripple Riddler videos. They're really brilliant, very well put together, emotion inspiring. Okay, they bring up emotions in you. So they kept us entertained throughout 2018. I kind of miss the Ripple Riddler, guys. I really do. And Sam I Am, he really brought to life a lot of meaning behind him. He really kind of drew us in and deciphered these. And I miss that too. You know, I really do. I miss that. So let's go back. In his later video, Declaration of Independence, a chronology of months is shown by birthstones in a wormhole leading up to November, then a brief flash of red, then fireworks for XRP. And this one's really cool, and I love this one. This one is amazing. I can't play the sound because they will definitely copyright strike me on that. But you guys definitely should go watch this one. It's really fun, and it's really fun. And I especially love this part right here. He kind of goes through this wormhole, and it really reminds me of like the quantum financial system. So, red is the birthstone color for January, and it always bothered me that the blue, December, is missing in the sequence. Could the brief red in the wormhole signal a quick crash before the fireworks instead? And he's got the birthstones and all the colors here. Ripple Riddler, the official account, posted a link to video yesterday. It's completely black, 5 seconds long, with the music from The Storm playing along with the sound of heavy rains. Is he warning the storm is here? And I'll go ahead and play that one. I don't want to play the music just in case it's copyrighted. It's just, I don't want to play it just in case. But it's just a 5-minute black clip with some music and some rain. That's all it is. Now, for the rapid price rise model to work, the Shane Ellis theory, XRP needs to be cheap. Too expensive, and no one can afford to buy up all the orders on the books at once. Shane used 27 cents in his examples. With insiders sure to tip off their friends, families, members of Congress before the move, XRP could easily see a jump of 10 to 20 cents or more in the hours leading up to it. So it would only make sense to drive it even lower than 27 cents before a jump. Shane Ellis even stated that the powers that need to be need to decouple BTC from XRP so that its volatility cannot have an effect on XRP's price. That makes a lot of sense. Crushing BTC to do this would drop the whole market, including XRP at first, short term. And he leaves a link. He leaves a screenshot of Shane Ellis's question and answers PDF here. The Ripple Crippler has posted about TPTB coming for your blood. With Ripple OTC sales cut back, they have to come to the exchanges. Wall Street never pays full price. They are here for your blood. It's time. He posted that in July of 19. Oops, I gotta go back up. Tony Val, I'm sure all of you guys have heard of him heard of him so far. He posted in August that a source informed him the crypto market would suffer a crash in September before XRP rose in October. This fits the pattern we see today, although it's 2 months late. And he puts the tweet. Just heard September will see a heavy market crash, possibly due to regulations. XRP, the Phoenix, will rise in October. Not financial advice, just be ready. That didn't come true, but things do get delayed. So, this is his opinion here. Ham, Eggs, and Sam posted a video with info from his alleged insiders, with one claiming one last shakeout before Moon. And he posts the link to the video there. One last shakeout, okay? And I do believe that is going to happen, and I think that might have happened already. That might be this right now. What we're in right now is the last shakeout. It still could wick down to 15 cents, 13 cents, possibly lower. I don't think it'll get lower than 13 cents. Discussing this later, though he conflates shakeout with a rise to XRP all-time high or beyond. This is not what gets holders to sell. An increase like this would cause FOMO as more normies join a new gold rush and fill bags. As hodlers double down with their investment doing well, TPTB don't want retail investors in XRP. We're a liability. Imagine they have this perfectly running system with XRP at a high and stable price, then suddenly Joe Retail walks into his bank to cash out 500,000 XRP from his Ledger Nano S. They want to minimize this. That makes sense. Loop Mr. 311-7211 recently posted a video of a nuclear test playing backwards, with the blast imploding down rather than exploding. In a tweet yesterday, he talked about warning us of what's to come. If XRP is about to see green, why warn us? Here's that clip. And Mr. Pull is another one of those mysterious figures that we're seeing more and more from. And he seems kind of legit, actually. He's putting out codes left and right. Kind of creepy, to be honest. Very mysterious. Very mysterious. But the music is really mysterious, kind of creepy, really intense. And it's only a minute or two long. 589. So that's it. Yo-Yo warned us TPTP will try to shake us out of XRP as well. And Yo-Yo said, listen to her when she speaks. She's the best source of leaks, but never forget that with all her clout, she too wants you out. And he's talking about Christine Lagarde. Okay, that's what I'm assuming. Okay, he didn't explain who he's talking about, but I'm assuming he's talking about Christine Lagarde. Okay, and that's why we should pay attention to what she's talking about when she says anything. And that's why I'm also paying attention to when in her speech, and I'll decode her speech. I'll put out a decoded version of her speech eventually. Maybe today. I might have time today. But she did say chain linkage, and that's another reason that I hold chain link. There's so many reasons that I keep hearing all sorts of things about it. Cryptomaniac posted last night about his little birdie insider sending a message to him about looking up at the skies. Glass half full people will see this as a signal to watch for moon or a rocket, but this could also be to see storm clouds gathering overhead. Okay, Cryptomaniac said, unconfirmed birdie told me to look up at the skies. I guess it means moon soon. Okay, we're hearing a lot of things lately, guys. A lot of things lately. In the midst of all this, we have a campaign launching beyond FUD into misery and despair. Analysis saying XRP to zero by February. Sold XRP, Bitcoin miners shutting down soon, and more to come. TPTB want nothing less than total retail capitulation. There are more examples like this, but this thread is long enough. You get the picture. As much as we hate the Crypt Talk and want to see this very bearish predictions to 0.06 fall flat, there's a strong chance that crypto Ragnarok is about to start. Despite the permabulls predictions, before we see serious green, we may be in for a catastrophically rough ride. And that's what I just told you guys. We might see a big dip. You might want to get your Xrps off exchanges, have extra fiat set to buy a huge dip, and don't get weak hands. End thread. The storm is coming. Very good thread. I like it. I enjoyed that thread a lot. And I just wanted to share with you guys on YouTube who might not be able to go on Twitter. But if you are on Twitter, probably go follow him. He puts out good threads from time to time. And I strongly suggest following XRP Riddler Archive at dwar_Phil. All right. So if you enjoyed this thread that I showed you here, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell. Also, one more thing, I want to show you, I'm going to put the link of the Brave browser in the description. Please, if you want to support my channel, if you feel like supporting my channel at all, download the Brave browser and they're going to send me $5 worth of basic attention token. Now, they will also give you $5 worth of basic attention token for downloading the Brave browser and opening it up. They give you $5 worth of basic attention token and they send it to your Uphold wallet, or it'll be on the browser, and if you connect it to your Uphold wallet, they'll send it. But otherwise they store it on the browser for you. And then you earn, I'll show you right here. You earn for them showing you ads. I think I closed them all today. They give you ads every day. You don't even have to look at them. They go to your notification panel. They send you basic attention token for every ad, okay? And I've had it for about 3 months and they've given me 113 plus they owe me like, how much? 9.2 for this latest period. They've given me this much just for having it installed on my Android phone. So they give you like 0.7 per ad and I get 5 ads a day. So it all adds up. You don't even have to pay attention. You don't even have to use it. They give you basic attention token. It's really a win-win, seriously. And the Brave browser is really nice. It's actually, they've been really upgrading it. It's a really polished and easy to use browser, and it's very privacy centric. And they don't, they send you ads, but you don't even have to read them. They don't give you pop-ups or anything. So they send them to your notification and you earn basic attention token. They pay you for your attention. And the funny thing is you don't even have to pay attention. You just clear the notifications like all your others, all these notifications. I press clear and they're all gone. And I earn money. I earn my basic attention token, which I'm extremely bearish on anyways. Bearish, I mean, not bearish. I'm bullish on basic attention token. So check it out. Definitely check it out. Also, hodlstyle.com. They've got the merch. Go check it out. I'll put the link in the description. With the link I put in there, the crypto mic link, you save 10%. So go shop the hodlstyle.com. Okay, guys? There we go. All right, guys. So follow me on Twitter. I'll put the link in there. You guys have a great day. Have a great Thanksgiving. Go give your family plenty of hugs. Spread some positive news and hodl strong. The bull run's right around the corner. Okay, guys? But hodl strong, okay? Love you guys. Crypto Mike out. Peace.